Here are some benefits of fenugreek and black seeds. Fenugreek OWN helps regulate blood sugar levels. 2. May increase milk production in breastfeeding mothers. 3. Contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. 4. May help reduce menstrual cramps. 5. May help reduce cholesterol levels. Black seeds OWN may help reduce asthma symptoms. 2. May help reduce high blood pressure. 3. May help reduce the risk of cancer. 4. May help reduce inflammation. 5. May help reduce the risk of liver disease. Ingredients: fenugreek, black seeds.